Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at Resolv. This token came out like 1 month ago, as you can see here, and after that it actually ended up going down like as low as 12 cent, and that was from 42 cent, which is like if we just try to check here, which is like around 70% crash in the price. And after that it is up like 2x, as you can see here after that. So that is a massive price action. So let's have a look at it and what is happening around this coin and why it actually went up. The first reason could be that the traders decided that it has finally found its bottom around here, and it actually ended up recovering. But this massive wick that you're looking at, I think is caused by this listing, the listing from the BitHum. So BitHum is, I think, one of the biggest exchange in the Koreas, and if you look at the Upbit, whenever there's the listing on Upbit, same thing most likely happens with that coin as well. So if we look at Hyper actually ended up getting listed on Upbit, so that actually caused a massive pump, and I think that also happened with this Resolv token with BitHum. Of course, the price actually went from 15 cent to as high as 26 cent. It was not that much crazy, but I think it could actually end up recovering from there as well. We'll just talk about it at the end. Now, beside that, there was a big thing, as you can see here. So Binance Wallet actually ended up launching a campaign for their season 2 points, as you can see here, and 600k in Resolv token rewards, as you can see. They have also shown how it works. So basically, users supply USDC or USDT via Binance Wallet, as you can see here, and basically it goes into WST USR, which is their stablecoin, as you can see here, which has a market cap of 242 million as of now. At some point it actually had the market cap of 585 million. So if you don't know what the Resolv is, it is basically the same as Ethena, you can say. It is a protocol that maintains USR, which is a stable coin, this one, and they basically use delta neutral portfolio and perpetual futures to actually maintain the price of this token. Now the protocol has following features. It issuance and redemptions of USR against other tokens, maintaining sufficient backing by ETH and BTC at all times. This is achieved by hedging ETH and BTC price with a short perpetual future position, as you can see here, maintaining Resolv liquidity pool as well. So all of these is done by the Resolv protocol. We will talk about the token in just a second. Let's look at this campaign on the Binance. So basically, as you get daily Resolv rewards proportional to allocation, as you can see here, and I think you also get some points for their upcoming airdrop as well. So they did an airdrop as of now, and they will do another airdrop, so I would say that's pretty good. And the best yield that you will be getting, like 6% or 7%, comes from ETH staking and delta neutral hedging via future funding rates, as you can see here. After that, this campaign is a major milestone not just for Resolv but for scaling structured crypto native yield across ecosystems. It brings Resolv into everyday wallet flows, so that means that the Resolv as of now is relevant, so I would say that's pretty good. And now they have this new campaign which will continue till September of 21st, as you can see here, and around 600k in Resolv token, and I believe you also get some points for their next airdrop. Now I think that is most likely because of that the token actually end up recovering from July 9th, as you can see here, and as of now it actually end up rejecting around this level. So if it wants to go up, it does need to break out this level, and I think it can go maybe end up hitting its all-time high or even higher than that. Now if we look at its TVL has finally started to recover, as you can see here, and it actually ended up hitting 332 million, and as of now it's at 371 million. I think if we look at other competitors like ENA and other things, all of them do tends to perform whenever the stable coin do well. So as of now, if we look at Ethena, it is basically up like 38%, but its stable coin is doing pretty well, and I think same thing will most likely happen with Resolv as well. So if the stable coin goes up or its market cap goes up, I think the Resolv token will most likely go up as well. So I think that is the best way to look at this token. So as long as its TVL goes up, I think the token will go up most likely. Now, if you don't know what the token is, it is basically the governance and utility token of the Resolv ecosystem, and this is how they allocate it. Like 1%, season 1 got around 10% supply, and 40% is for the ecosystem and other things, and team gets around 26, investor gets around 22.4%, which is a lot, and it has a max supply of 1 billion. Now if you are planning to hold this coin for a long term, that may not be good, because if you look here, this coin should be a pretty good hold for at least 1 year. After that, things can go south, because if you look here, there is a big you can say vesting cliff after 1 year. After that, the investors as well as core contributors will start receiving their tokens. So I think this coin should be a pretty safe hold for 1 year. After that, things can go wrong, but as of now it's up really high, so it may not be wise to get at the market price. So if you are interested in this coin, I think the best entry could be somewhere around here, and that could be basically a pretty good support, and it can actually go up from here from 19 to 18 cent. And if you can wait a little bit, you can actually get it somewhere around like maybe I think this also could be a pretty good support somewhere around here, so around 16 to 16.5 cent. But I think the best entry for this coin as of now could be 19.39. so as long as we get an alt season, I think the token could actually recover after trading around this range for some time. After that, it can actually go and retest this level, and if it does go above this level around 28-25, we will most likely hit a new all-time high, or it can reject around 30 cent as well, because that also seems to be the pretty good you can say pretty good resistance as well. Around 30 cents is a possibility, but if it does flips this resistance, we could be heading towards new all-time high. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.